Hey, I'm Donald Bell for Cool Tools, and usually in these videos, I'm showing you a tool I've been using for a while and have an informed opinion on. That's not the case today. Today you're coming along with me as I open up for the first time these Japanese screw removal pliers. We're going to test them out, and if you want to check them out for yourself, you can find a link to these down in the description. I bought these months ago, but I haven't been able to bring myself to use them because the packaging looks so cool. Seriously, why can't we package things like this in the US? I'm not sure what a lot of this is saying, but I'm excited just looking at it. My favorite bit is the little punch-out screw here built into the package. I mean, come on. If you saw this on a rack, how would you not buy one? Now, I didn't see the package when I ordered this. Honestly, I bought this on the power of the brand alone. The same company makes my favorite solder sucking tool, the SS02. I looked around at other things they make and this came up and it looked like something I could use. So here's the tool. They can work like basic pliers. They also have a wire cutter down here in the throat, but the main feature are these grooves in the jaws and the slightly rounded opening made for gripping screw heads. The idea is if you have a screw with a stripped head, you can use these to grip the sides of the screw head and slowly back it out. To see if it works, I raided my random screw jar and set a bunch of these into a block of wood. Drywall, dome, round, truss, whatever this is. And yeah, it works. It's not fun or quick, but it could bail you out of a real headache if you find yourself with a stripped screw head. That said, there are dozens of ways to do this, and there are even some tools I've seen with this same jaw design that will probably work just as well. These were $24. There's thousands of glowing reviews for them, and for all I know, they're worth every cent over the competition. But like I said, this is my first time using them, and really my first time using any kind of screw removal pliers, so I really can't tell you how these compare. What I can say is that they feel well made. The green Techno Turtle grips are fun to see on my tool rack, and maybe most important of all, this is the kind of tool that you want to buy before you need it. Stripping a screw head is a stressful and embarrassing event. To have a get-out-of-jail-free tool like this ready to go will make you feel invincible. So get yourself a pair if you're so inclined. They can make a great gift too, since the packaging is such a conversation piece. And I can't imagine most people already have Japanese screw removal pliers. And don't forget, you can find thousands of reader-recommended tools like these at cool-tools.org.